The Kenevo allows a seamless transition to exercising on a bicycle ergometer. In locked modes, first hold the prosthesis horizontally until the knee joint releases. Keep your fingers clear to avoid injury. After 2 uninterrupted full pedal rotations, the knee joint recognizes the cycling motion and switches to a free swing state. This is indicated by periodic beep and vibration signals. Alternatively, this function can also be activated manually via the user app. Before exercising, make sure that the seating position isn't too high and isn't too far back. After dismounting, the knee joint automatically switches back to the selected activity mode, restoring the usual safety features. This applies no matter how the function is activated. A long beep and vibration signal indicate that the cycling function has been deactivated. This function is designed for use on an upright ergometer with a freewheel. Recumbent ergometers are not supported.